In the lead-up to Lai's sentencing, Prime Minister Keir Starmer and the UK government had been criticised for not doing enough to advocate for the 72-year-old's release. Following Keir Starmer's visit to Beijing in late January, the first by a British Prime Minister in 8 years, the All-Party Parliamentary Group on Arbitrary Detention and Hostage Affairs issued a statement saying that an opportunity to secure Jimmy Lai's release has been squandered by weak diplomacy. These opportunities will cost Jimmy Lai his life, the group said. Days after Starmer's Beijing visit, Lai's son Sebastian also announced it as a wasted opportunity. If it is so important, then surely there should be some conditionalities put on my father's release, the younger Lai said last week at a parliamentary hearing on his father's case, according to The Guardian. The trip was a big thing to have been given away. The UK says it will rapidly engage further with Chinese authorities on Lai's case. British national Jimmy Lai was today sentenced to 22 years in prison for a 72-year-old. Thus was tantamount to a life sentence, Foreign Secretary Awad Cooper said in a statement posted by the Foreign Office on X. I again call on the Hong Kong authorities to end his appalling ordeal and release him on humanitarian grounds, so that he may be reunited with his family. We stand with the people of Hong Kong. Hong Kong's Chief Executive John Lee Ka-chiu has celebrated Jimmy Lai's sentencing as deeply gratifying, describing his crimes as heinous and utterly despicable. For a long time, Lai used Apple Daily to poison the minds of citizens, incite hatred, distort facts, deliberately create social division, glorify violence, and openly beg external forces to sanction China and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, Lee wrote in a Facebook post on Monday afternoon. Jimmy Lai's heinous acts endangering national security have harmed the interests of the country and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, as well as the interests of the citizens. Lee, who has previously welcomed convictions against Lai, also characterized today's sentencing as a significant milestone in Hong Kong's efforts to safeguard national security. Lai's 22-year sentence was as the harshest to be given under Hong Kong's controversial national security law. Jimmy Lai has been sentenced to 22 years in jail under Hong Kong's controversial, Beijing-imposed national security law. Lai, 72, previously spoke to the BBC about the law and its implications for Hong Kong, while his son Sebastian warned that his father would likely die in prison if sentenced. BBC News journalist Phoebe Kong explains how we got here.